Hi, welcome to this video on brand resume. In today's interconnected world, it has become very essential to build your personal brand. Whether you're in a job and want to advance your career, or you have your own business, or even if you are a freelancer or in the affiliate marketing, network marketing, or in the direct selling industry. So, what is a brand resume and what can it do for you? A brand resume basically rewrites your identity. It is more than a personal website or blog, more like a personal video blog or a vlog where you share bits and pieces about you, what you do, and it has some general and maybe some specific content which could engage, educate, entertain, and maybe solve problems for the reader, viewer, or listener. In addition to just writing, if you put audio and visual content, it becomes engaging for the audience and can be shared across multiple social media platforms. Well, first of all, if you want to know what a brand resume looks like, take a look at my brand resume at vandanananda.com, vandananda.com. At the end of this course, you will also be able to create a brand resume, something like this one, and it will help you to create a home for your own personal brand. Many people make the mistake of using only social media platforms for building their personal brand. You may have heard of people losing their Facebook or Twitter accounts and losing the content with it. A brand resume is essential and it ensures that all your content is in one place. This can help you drive traffic from multiple social media platforms to your site and engage further with your audience. It also provides a professional and deeper look into who you are, what you do, and how you can help solve their problem, giving you greater credibility and a larger audience in the long run. After working for almost 26 years in the corporate world, I created this brand resume last year as I decided to move on to carve out an online career for myself so that I could be my own boss and work for as long as I wanted to with flexible working hours. My aim was to earn online and help other people earn online and at the same time follow their passions. So, whether you are in a career that you are just not fully satisfied with and you plan on moving into a career path that really fulfills you, or you plan on working your way up the ranks at your current company, or you plan on starting your own venture or business, or maybe you already have one, developing your personal brand is one of the most underutilized resources and tools that most people aren't fully aware of leveraging properly. So, who needs a personal brand? We all do. If you are in a job and want to move forward in your career, you want to highlight your skills and switch to a new career. If you are a freelancer or an affiliate marketer, if you are in the network marketing or the direct selling industry, if you want to grow your passion into a business and monetize it, you need a brand resume. So, what can a brand resume do for you? A brand resume can help accelerate growth for you if you already have a business that you want to create stability and growth for. You want to start a business in the near future and you want to do it the right way. You want to earn a side income by providing any product or service. Or if you want to move up in your career at your current job and you want to accelerate your growth. So, what does a brand resume actually do for you? A brand resume helps you in starting building your personal brand online, helps you create a home for your content, and helps you to connect with a large audience organically. So, what has my brand resume helped me with? My brand resume has helped me switch from a corporate job to an online coach, digital marketer, connect with people across the globe, and even create multiple sources of income online. So, here's exactly what a brand resume does for you. Your brand resume amplifies everything that you do. It helps you in promoting your products, your business, and even yourself and your skills. There's an overlap between your personal brand, your product brand, and your business brand, and that's what makes you unique. There may be many people in the same business as you, they may be selling the same products you do, but it's your personal brand that sends you apart and attracts others. Even companies use personal brand. So we always associate Apple with Steve Jobs and Tesla with Elon Musk. But even if companies don't have personal brand ambassadors, they use influencers. So we have movie stars and sports persons constantly promoting various products, businesses, goods, or services. Now you may ask, they are already famous, they already have a personal brand. I am nobody so famous, so how can I go around creating a personal brand for myself? A brand resume will help you in this endeavor. It will help you to start creating your personal brand. Your reputation is your personal brand. There is an actual science behind building your personal brand and being more known. People like to buy, they don't like being sold to. To make yourself and your business grow, people have to know, like, and trust you. You can do this by building your brand resume, creating content which is available at your home, which is your brand resume, sharing the content across social media, and driving people from there to your main home, which is your website, your brand resume. When you start developing your personal brand through your brand resume and content on social media, you will be able to share more about your business, products, and about yourself. And if your content, business, and products are able to solve a problem for your audience, you will be able to get your due financial reward. Now, before we start practically creating our brand resume, let us identify the following before we start building a brand resume. Number one, what are the objectives of building your brand resume? You will need to identify what you want to achieve with your brand resume. A better job, career progress, you want to grow your business, sell your stuff, grow your team, get more clients for your coaching, or anything else. The number two thing that you want to identify before starting creating your brand resume is that what is the perception that you want others to have about you. You will need to identify how you want to be perceived by others. Do you want to be perceived as a software expert, a health advisor, coach, an artist, an expert digital marketer, or anything else? The third thing that you need to identify is what is the problem that you are solving for them? Have you been able to solve it for yourself? Are you helping your clients grow their business, get into shape, share your specialized technical knowledge and solve their problem, or anything else? What is your niche? Are you a health specialist? Give advice on IT or data analytics, interior design, dog training, parenting, finance, or anything else. The fifth thing that you need to identify, who is your target audience? Are they recruiters? Are they retired people who want to earn online? People who want to lose weight? Homemakers who want to turn their passion into an income, etc. So it's very important to identify all these 5 points, which is objectives of building your brand resume, the perception that you want others to have about you, and what problems you're solving for them, and what is your actual niche and your target audience. This course on brand resume will help you start creating your brand resume correctly. If you follow the instructions correctly in this course, by the end of this course, you will have a brand resume ready. To start creating your brand resume, there are no special requirements. You don't need very much experience or creativity. You don't need a ton of money upfront to start. You don't need any technical skills. You don't need to speak to anyone in person. You don't need to travel or leave your home. You don't need to work many hours a day. You do not need to quit your existing job. You do not have to spend years to see results. You need a proven and practical blueprint to build your brand resume, and this is what you will get in this course. So go ahead, click on the link below and go to the next module. In this course, we will cover the following. What is the difference between a brand resume and a job resume? What are the two goals of your brand resume? Musts when adding to your brand resume. Brand resume core components. The viral hit theory. Build it and they will come. Content formats. Brand resume categories, the menus and the pages, and how to create, nurture, and schedule your content to build your. At the end of this course, you will be able to create your brand resume the correct way right from the beginning. See you in the next module. Bye for now.